Khama janeilu. Namaskar. Here I am Tapati Singh from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share some commonly used words and some sentences using those words in Bishnupriya Manipuri. So be with me till the end. Such as, at what time means kumbaka. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, kumbaka. At what time? Today means aji. Tomorrow means kali. Night means rati. Yes means hi. Want means monauri. Sunny day means roidor din. Rich means peideiha. Rich, R-E-S-H, rich means peideiha. Now, let me share some sentences using those words. The first sentence. I want to go to my brother's house. Mi mor beokor gore jana monauri. I want means mi monauri. To go jana to my brother's house. Mor beokor gore. My means more. Brother's house means beokor gore. Mi mor beokor gore jana monauri. I want to go to my brother's house. Easy, no? The second sentence. But it is too cold today. Kintu aji nyampara ingose. But means kintu, it is too cold. Too cold means nyampa ingose. Cold means ingose. Today means aji. But it is too cold today. Kintu aji nyampa ingose. So, I am waiting for a sunny day. Uhanete mi roidor dinahanorka basauri. So means uhanete. I am waiting mi basauri for a sunny day. A sunny day means roidor din ahanorka. For a sunny day. Roidor din ahanorka. Sunny day means roidor din. One more sentence, that is, at what time you are going to reach tomorrow. At what time means kumbaka. You are going to reach. Ti for ha. You are going to reach. Ti for ha. You are means ti. Going to reach means for ha. Tomorrow means kali. At what time you are going to reach tomorrow? Ti kali kumbaka for ha. One more sentence. Are you going to have your lunch here? Are you ki going to have keiteita your lunch here? Epate here means epate. Your lunch means tor belitikor khana বা বেলিটিকর ভাত তি কালি বেটলিকৰ ভাত খেইতেইতা Are you going to have your lunch here? Tiki epeit belitikor bat খেইতেইতা Yes, I will have. Hi, me খেইতো Yes means hi, I will have. I means me, will have means খেইতো After that, we will leave for the meeting. After that means utar pisete. We will leave. Ami saloi tangai. For the meeting. Meeting or ka. After that, we will leave for the meeting. Utar pisete. Ami meeting or ka saloi tangai. I will be back at night. I will be back. Me aloito. I will be back. I means me. Will be back. Aloito. At night. Rati. I will be back at night. Me rati aloito. I have train at 9 p.m. Morta ratikar noitat train han ase. I have train at 9 p.m. Morta ratikar noitat train han ase. I have train. Morta train han ase at 9 p.m. Ratikar noitat. So, these are some commonly used words and sentences in Bishnupriya Manipuri. I think it is not so tough to learn. It is interesting, is not it? Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Thank you. Namaskar.